Hi, this is Kiwi the Coast, and what I love most about this beautiful home at 1 Cottonwood in Pacific Ridge is the backyard. Sunning area, hot tub, beautiful pool. I've got a covered loggia for entertaining and that huge outdoor kitchen. Check the size of that grill. And you're gonna wanna see more, so let's meet Sugar Shane at the front door.
This home is over 3,800 square foot on a 7,000 square foot corner lot. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms in its configuration. Follow me in and let's go see how this one lives. I could work right here. I got the courtyard and fountain to my right. Ultimately could be a 4th bedroom if you needed it. I have the ensuite bathroom behind me. Where did Kiwi go?
And Kiwi's in the kitchen. Always my favorite room in the house, kitchen great room. I've got the pantry, extra wine fridge, and access to the garage to my right. This big center island. I got the 2 dishwashers. I've got stainless steel appliances with brand names Wolf and Sub-Zero. Look at these beautiful wood floors. They really kick this home off. And don't forget, I've got the formal dining with access to that courtyard and fireplace for entertaining. Sugar Shane, are you up?
And there's way more to see up here. And behind me is bedroom number 2 with a beautifully redone bathroom. Countertops, fixtures, glass surround connecting to bedroom number 3 to my left. Hey, and it's time for the 3 W's. The weight room in the newly expanded area here. We got a washroom / laundry upstairs, very convenient. And then we got a new workroom. That's right, built-in desk or study area. But Kiwi, is the magic still in the master?
And the magic really is in this master with the high ceilings. It's a huge space here, very opulent, lots of windows. And of course, my transition through to the bathroom, I've got a separate large walk-in closet, has the Roman shower. All the bathroom has been remodeled, countertops, backsplashes. It looks fabulous. Now, of course, don't let me forget, the whole home has got new shaker doors and hardware throughout. My favorite spot off the master is this balcony.
Kiwi, I'm loving 1 Cottonwood.
Me too. It's got to be on your show list today for sure. And we'll catch you on the next one.